Hi there, I'm Ajinkya, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use AI to create more engaging social media content. Social media is a great way to connect with your audiences and grow your business, but it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. That's where AI comes in picture. AI can help you create more engaging social media content. The first one is understanding your audience. AI can analyze your audience's social media behavior to understand their interest, pain points, and buying habits. This information can help you create content that is relevant and interesting to them. The second thing is personalizing your content. AI can personalize your content to each individual users. This means that you can show different content to different people based on their interests and needs. Next, optimizing your content. AI can help optimize your content for most engagement. This means that you can track your performance of your content and make changes to improve your results. In this video, I've covered how to use AI to understand your audience, how to use AI to personalize your content, and how to use AI to make sure that your content is optimized. Example of how AI has been used to create engaging social media content. How to use AI to understand your audience. First step to using AI to create more engaging social media content is to understand your audience. AI can help you do this by analyzing your audience's social media behavior. This information can tell you what they are interested in, what they are talking about, and what kind of content they are most likely to engage with. There are a number of AI tools that can help you understand your audience. One of the popular tools is Sprout Social. Sprout Social allows you to track your audience's social media activity, including their posts, likes, and comments. You can also use Sprout Social to segment your audiences based on their interest and demographics. How to use AI to personalize your content. Once you understand your audiences, you can use AI to personalize your content. This means creating content that is specifically tailored to each individual. There are a number of AI tools that can help you personalize your content, and for my favorite is Tailored Audiences. Tailored Audiences allows you to create custom audience based on your audience interests, demographics, and past behavior. You can then use Tailored Audiences to target your content to these specific audiences. How to use AI to optimize your content. Once you have created engaging content, you can use AI to optimize it for maximum engagement. This means tracking the performance of your content and making changes to improve your results. There are again a number of AI tools that can help you optimize your content, and one of the popular tools is Buffer. Buffer allows you to track the performance of your social media posts, including the number of views, likes, and shares. You can also use Buffer to schedule your posts in advance so that you can optimize your content for peak engagement times. There is one more tool, which is Publer, which is one of the most popular content scheduling tool, which can also be used in this. You can schedule your content for a longer duration. Examples of how AI has been used to creating engaging social media content. There are many examples of how it's been used to create engaging social media content. The first one is Netflix. Netflix uses AI to recommend movies and TV shows to the user based on their viewing history. This helps Netflix to create personalized content that is more likely to engage users. Spotify. Spotify uses AI to recommend music to users based on their listening habits. This helps Spotify to create personalized content that is more likely to engage users. And our favorite, Facebook. Facebook uses AI to show users relevant content in their news feeds. This helps Facebook to create personalized content that is more likely to engage users. In this video, I've covered how to use AI to create more engaging social media content. I've talked about how to understand your audiences, personalize your content, and optimize your content. I've also given some examples of how AI has been used to creating these kind of content and how to optimize it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will make sure that I answer those and reply to those comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. If you want to be a part of my community where I share a lot of information, the link is in the description. Join my community and be a part of invincible people who are focusing on enhancing and scaling their businesses, scaling their life, and scaling their career. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.